Everybody wants to be near the moon.
Yep. Well, we're stuck on Earth, and we're stuck with the weather here as well.
And we're stuck with this heat.
Hey.
Today feels far worse than yesterday did, at least to me.
Yeah, and we actually hit 90 degrees for about a minute, but you have to hit it for 5 minutes
for it to count.
For it to count. So, yep. Today's high was 89, but tomorrow and the weekend it gets even hotter, looking more likely to be in the 90s. Another thing we're monitoring is the flooding risk for this evening. Not in Syracuse, but for areas across the southern tier. That's for Ithaca, Cortland region. That's where we had a decent amount of rainfall yesterday, and now we're seeing some slow-moving storms for this evening over the same areas, which could create some flash flooding now up until about 10 p.m. Then looking ahead to the weekend, a daily chance for storms and things get even hotter, looking likely to be in the 90s for both days. Then next week, Monday will start off hot, but eventually things get milder as we head through the week. Let's start off with this evening and that flood risk. This is a live look from our triple Doppler radar, sponsored by Falso Service Experts. Some stormy weather up in northern Oneida County. We are dry in Syracuse, but further south, that's where we're seeing some small but slow-moving thunderstorms. As we loop this through, you can see they're really not moving much, so they're producing some moderate to heavy downpours over the same areas, which could accumulate pretty quickly. And that's actually why we have a flood warning off across the western Finger Lakes right now until 7:45 p.m. The rain is now tapered off there, but still you'll want to be careful if you're driving through that region as flooding is occurring. And again, now up until about 10 p.m. tonight is when the rain tapers off, that we're tracking that risk for flooding, mainly for areas to the south of the Thruway, south of Syracuse. Looking ahead to tomorrow, the same system that brought us stormy weather today will slowly slide up the east coast, continuing us to bring us this hot and humid air as well, with the chance for some isolated thunderstorms. Things get even hotter through the weekend as well, as this other system is going to clash with this stationary front and keep that hotter air over us for both days. There's even heat advisories right now for southern Herkimer County. They've issued it pretty early, just to give a heads up for everyone. But I'm guessing that the rest of the area is likely to see heat advisories for both Saturday and Sunday, with the max heat index of up to 100 Saturday and 105 on Sunday. As far as our actual temperatures go, it'll be a high of 92 tomorrow, 90 on Sunday, 89 on Monday, and then we cool back down to 80 for Tuesday and Wednesday. And we could be near some record heat for the weekend. Again, 92 Saturday, could be up to 95 is the record. 90 on Sunday, the record is 96, and 89 Monday, the record is also 96. Timing out your forecast for this evening. Seeing some slow-moving scattered thunderstorms south of Syracuse. Those taper off by about 10 p.m. We're dry in the overnight as temperatures only drop down to 70. And we'll start off partly sunny and dry tomorrow, even dry for the lunchtime hour as well. But heating up quickly, upper 80s around lunchtime, lower 90s in the afternoon, and then some scattered thunderstorms develop right around 5 p.m. and continue into the evening. A check of your 7-day forecast. Again, hot and stormy this weekend. Most of the activity looks to be pretty isolated. And then we get a daily chance for storms next week, starting off hot on Monday and cooling down through the week. Michael?
Thanks, Violet. Looking